Today we can start with chapter 1 development. Already we had finished chapter 2 because it was easy chapter, and now we move to the topic development. What is development? Development means progress. What is econ development? Econ development is the sustained increase in the real per capita income. Please underline in your notes, real per capita income of the country within a long period of time. Please start the new page in economics notebook with these answers. First question is, what is development? That's progress. What is econ development? Econ development is the sustained increase in the real per capita income of the country within a long period of time. The idea of development, textbook page number 3, or progress, has always been with us. We have aspirations or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Like that, we have ideas about what a country should be like. What are the essential things that we require? How should people live together? Can there be more equality? So development involves thinking about these type of questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. What development promises? Different people have got different goals. What development or progress is likely to mean to different persons? What are their aspirations? That is very clearly given in our textbook page number 4. What development promises? We know different type of people and we have different life situations and we have different goals. So developmental economists have divided the goals of different categories of persons. Developmental goals of different categories. Developmental goals for different categories of persons. Category 1 box. Please note down in your notebook category of persons and what are their developmental goals or aspirations, aims. First point, they are highlighting the landless rural laborers. Just tell me what are the developmental goals of different category of persons. It is divided different categories that we see around us, that is landless rural laborers, prosperous farmers from Punjab or any other state, farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops, a rural woman from a land owning family or urban unemployed youth, a boy from a rich urban family, a girl from a rich urban family, an Adivasi from Narmada Valley. These 8 categories are from different areas and their developmental goals and aspirations are also different. We know that our own aspirations or your own aspirations are also different. Depends on the situations. I do say depends on the life situations also. In the textbook itself, it is been noted that landless agricultural laborers, page number 4, what do they want? They are not having land. They are from rural areas. So some of the value points given by them, it is more or less apt also. More days of work, better wages because they are landless and rural workers. Better wages, local school is able to provide quality education for their children. There is no social discrimination. They do not want any kind of partiality and they too can become leaders in the village. Like that, a lot of points and aspirations and goals they do have. Like that, another example has been given in our textbook itself. Prosperous farmers from Punjab or any other area. Prosperous. We can say very rich farmer from Punjab is a case study or a typical example. What do they want? What are their simple aspirations? Yes, assured a high family income through higher support prices for their crops. That is from the government side. And through hard working and cheap laborers. They should be able to settle their children abroad or in the country India itself. Like that, different persons and different categories, different type of goals and aspirations. So in your textbook, these categories have been or specimens of different categories have been given. Please write in a notebook in your own words what is their thinking, what do they lack, what do they want. What do they want? That is their developmental goals and aspirations in a country or in a family or a society. All these persons have the same notion of developmental progress. Do they have same notion? Notion means idea or the concept of development. No. What is your answer? My answer is no. Your answer also most likely no. Each one of them seeks different things. Each one of them seeks different things. They seek things that are most important for them. Most people seek things which are important for them. Seek things which one? Which are more important for them. Important is a value word. Depends on their priorities. That is, that which can fulfill their aspirations or desires. In fact, at times, two persons or groups of persons may seek things which are conflicting. An example is given by the textbook author itself. It's very good. A girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also shares in the household work. Her brother may not like this. That we can see in our houses also. Another typical example is that to get more electricity, industrialists may want more dams. Electricity generation to get more, industrialists and households also. Nowadays climate also changing, so we know that everybody needs AC like that. So electricity is very important. Industrialists want more electricity, and in order to generate more electricity, what do we need? We want more dams. D-A-M-S, dams. And this may submerge the land and disrupt the lives of people who are displaced, such as tribals or those who are living over there. They might resent this and may prefer small check dams or tanks to irrigate their land. So they might resent. What's the word meaning of resent? They do object it. They are cutty. They do not want because it's their living place and they prefer small check dams or tanks to irrigate their land. So two things are quite clear. One is that different persons have different developmental goals, and what may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may even be destructive for the other. With this example, we are getting a very good answer also. What is the question? This way also they can ask. Different persons can have, what is it? Different persons can have different developmental goals. It's very clear from the table that we have written also. Can have different developmental goals, and that may be development for one, may not be development for the other. That is, they are conflicting. These goals they are conflicting also. Explain with your answer. How do you explain? Explain with the examples. So brother and sister, that is easy to explain from your own life situations, and that electricity generation industrialists may want more dams, but it may disrupt the lives of people who are living over there. So answer is from page number 4, last point, last paragraph, and page number 5, top 2 paragraphs gives the answer for you. Explain. Different person can have different developmental goals and they are conflicting also. Explain with the example. If it is 3 marks question that way, if it is 5 marks, we have to combine the answer of the categories or the certain categories or some assumed categories or our circumstances or your surroundings, what are the examples given or seen, that can be taken as, and their developmental goals and aspirations are different also. You can highlight with the correct answer, then 5 marks easy to get. Page number 5, textbook page number 5, we can learn now income and other goals. So most important goal is to get income, then only our livelihood or earnings. Then rather than income, what are the other goals? What people desire are regular work, better wages, decent price for their crops or other products that they produce. They want more income. Everybody wants more income. More income. So everybody wants regular work, better wages and decent price for their crops and more income also. Besides seeking more income, one way or the other, people seek things like equal treatment. I prefer it, no doubt. Equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others. Freedom, security, and respect for others. What all things you would like to get? That is, no doubt, freedom is needed, security is needed, respect of others, and resent discrimination, no partiality, no discrimination. All these are important goals. In some cases, these may be more important than more income or more consumption, because material goods are not all that you need to live. Money or material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depends. But the quality of our life depends upon non-material things also that we mentioned now itself, quality of life. If it is not, then just think of the role of your friends in your life. They may desire their friendship. There are many things that are not easily measured, but they mean a lot to our lives. These are often ignored. It will be wrong to conclude that what cannot be measured is not important. No. Quality is also quality of life. Depends upon many other things also. What are they? One example is given by the textbook author in page number 6. Example. If I or you get a job in a far off place, before accepting it, you would try to consider many factors apart from income, such as facilities for your family, working atmosphere, opportunity to learn. Which are they? Facilities to your family, working atmosphere, and opportunity to learn also. Another case, a job may give you less pay but may offer regular employment. Regular employment is the but less pay is the, but may offer regular employment that enhances your sense of security. Sense of security. Another job may offer high pay but no job security. High pay comes but no job security. And no leave for your family to stay with them. And also no leave, no time for your family. Like that, things are there. This will reduce your sense of security and freedom. Similarly, for development, people look at a mix of goals. It is true that if women are engaged in paid work, their dignity in the household and society also increases. It is also the case that if there is respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside. These are all examples gives you and me or to us their living situations and have to live in order to progress in our economy and in our society. A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. So the developmental goals that people have are not only about better income but also about other important things in life. That is also another way a question comes. Rather than income, what are the things do you consider as a quality of life or developmental goals, or which type of job you prefer, like that simple empirical question from our real life situations also can be asked. Page number 6, today's activity. Page number 6, one box is given. 3 questions are there. 1 and 2 questions are MCQ questions. First question, why do different persons have different notions of development? Which of the following explanation is more important? Why? First answer is because people are different. Secondly, because life situations of persons are different. So most important answer, more important good explanation comes from life situations of persons are different. That we can explain why, because different people belong to different categories of persons, different categories and different areas, and which category they do belong, and accordingly their aspirations and goals also changing. So like that we can explain the first, second, third paragraphs combining, we can write that answer. Do the following two statements mean the same? Justify your answer. People have different developmental goals. People have conflicting developmental goals. I do say both are not the same. People have conflicting developmental goals. With that example of electricity generation and all, you have to explain. After writing these value points, we can make that question and answer corresponding to these questions also. Thirdly, they are asking you some examples where factors other than income are important aspects of our life. That is, rather than income, what are the other aspects of our life situations? Explain some of the important ideas of the above section in your own words by combining all these points. Same answer, that's our value verse also. If you want, you can write about the school, class, where partiality no need, and fairness, facilities, and understanding. Like that, many points you can add from your situation or from your real life. You can add the value points. Okay, thank you, take care.